Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Crazy Gamer. In today's video, I will show you how to play King of North in Slotomania. First of all, launch open Slotomania app on your Android or iOS device. From the homepage, scroll through the slot machine until you see King of North. It is this one over here. Simply tap on it and then you'll be able to see this interface. Wait until it loads. Now, you'll be able to start the game. Adjust your coin bet amount according to your preference at the bottom right and then click on spin at the bottom right. You'll then be able to receive rewards. Look out for wild symbols that substitute for others. Whenever this catcher symbol appears, you can go ahead and trigger free spins, unlock bonus rounds for extra rewards. And that's how you easily play King of North in Slotomania. It's a thrilling slot with unique feature that makes every spin exciting. If you found this tutorial to be helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.